Up next, Bert, the Skeleton Warrior. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from Sci-Fi Antasy, a part of HobbyLinkInternational.com, and welcome to another YouTube video. Before we get started, if you're liking the videos you see, please hit that subscribe button. I think it's down in this corner, and make sure you hit that bell notification icon so you know every one of our videos that comes on, reviews from Paul and live streams and all that other good stuff. So let's get back over to what we talked about in the beginning there, and this is Bert, the Skeleton Warrior. If you missed it, we had our Halloween live show this past weekend, Halloween night, and I actually did not get Bert into the live stream because he wasn't done. As soon as the live stream was over, I got on Bert, finished him up before midnight. I think I had like 10 minutes left before I posted him up, and I promised everybody a video and pictures. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna show you Bert. We'll get some pictures on here, and then also if you come over to the site, I'll have a little bit of a write-up on the main HobbyLinkInternational.com site of everything I did on this build. So I hope you enjoyed Bert, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Well, that's it for Bert. I hope you enjoyed this small slideshow on our Skeleton Warrior here. I know it wasn't a full build video. I haven't done one of those in a while, but we will be getting back to those. Right now, there's voting going on the community to see what I'm going to build for next Halloween, and right now it looks like the Headless Horseman. So if the Headless Horseman wins, then I only have to build one Halloween build, because it looks like myself, Mark Fraley, and Interstellar Modeler, Augie Gonzalez, are going to do a triple buddy build next year for the Halloween build. We're all going to build the Headless Horseman. So thanks again for stopping by, checking out Bert. Don't forget to come over to the community and register, and check out the main site also. We'd love to have you at both places. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks again for everybody that did all their builds for the Halloween show. Thank you to everybody that showed up. We had a really nice turnout. And I guess we'll see you all on the next video. Have a great night. Make sure you're staying safe out there. Take care, and bye-bye.